Did you know the famous Stabroek Market in Georgetown hides some surprising secrets? Most people think it's a British building, but the iron structure was actually designed by an American engineer named Nathaniel McKay. And here's the twist, it wasn't even built in Guyana. The entire iron framework was manufactured in the United States by the Edgemoor Iron Company, then shipped across the ocean and assembled right here in Georgetown. Look up at the famous clock tower and you'll notice something unusual. It has 4 clock faces. 3 face the city streets, so people in Georgetown could see the time, but the 4th face points toward the Demerara River, helping arriving ships check the time as they entered the port. Because of its hourly chimes and giant bell made in Sheffield, England, many locals call it Guyana's Big Ben. The market floor was even designed with a slight slope toward the river wharf so workers could easily wash the entire market. Today, Stabroek Market covers nearly 80,000 square feet, making it the largest market in Guyana and one of the oldest iron structures in the Caribbean, still in daily use. And more than a century later, it's still one of the busiest transportation hubs in the country.